These are residents of Abakaliki going about their normal activities on a Monday morning, as against what was the situation since August 9, 2021, when the proscribed self-determination agitation group Ipob declared a weekly sit-at-home action in southeast Nigeria. Though the group had announced the suspension of the action, many of the residents continued to keep away from government offices and business areas on every Monday of the week. This Monday, Abakaliki is wearing a different look, as most shops, banks and notable eateries in the capital city open for business, the first time in over 6 weeks. Chris Efoke, a shoe trader, says perhaps people are beginning to understand that Ipob have suspended the civil disobedience.
It affects most of the businesses and other, economic environments.
Well, I think the reason that people are tired of sitting at home.
The story was not the same with commercial transporters, as almost all the transport companies located along Apipo Road remain shut.
Ọ bụrụ na anyị na-emechi si na anyị achọghị ịrụ ọrụ, but anyị nọ na-anụ agbara moto ọkụ ebe a, egbuo mmadụ ebe a. Isi eti ihe m ji eri nri na-enye ụmụaka m nri, mpụta n'ụzọ agba ya ọkụ, ọ ka mma na anyị pakịrị lee anya moto gbawakwa anyị agbawa.
Incidents of alleged forceful enforcement of the sit-at-home in some areas in the southeast zone, resulting in killings and destruction of properties, had elicited public outrage and condemnations against the Ipob activities. Ipob, through its spokesperson Imam Powerful, last week denied the group had any hand in the continued action every Monday in the region, assuring residents that it will deal with anybody or group hiding under the sit-at-home to unleash mayhem on innocent people.